As we saw in the previous video, MoSCoW stands for must have, should have, could have, and won't have this time. Now let's look at what these terms mean in more detail. The must-have requirements represent the minimum usable subset for the solution which the project guarantees to deliver. The biggest identifier of a must-have requirement is if it would be pointless to deliver the solution on the target date without this feature, for example, a website with no way to navigate the pages. Other signifiers of a must-have include if the solution would be illegal or unsafe without the requirement, or the solution is unviable. Ensure that not all the requirements are must-haves. If they are, it's difficult to guarantee delivery of the minimum usable subset within the time frame, and the risk of delay increases. DSDM recommends limiting the amount of effort used to deliver must-have items to no more than 60% of total effort available during the project. The next level of requirement is should have. A should have requirement is important but not essential. Exclusion of the requirement doesn't affect viability but may require some kind of workaround, such as expectation management or a manual solution. This may be a temporary situation, and the should have can be developed later. Could have items, on the other hand, are desirable but less important and have a lower impact on the solution than should have requirements. One way to differentiate a should have from a could have requirement is to review the degree of pain caused by the requirement's exclusion in terms of business value or number of people affected. The bigger the impact, the more likely the requirement is to be a should have. The project's could have requirements are used to form a contingency pool. In the best case scenario, all of these requirements will be delivered. When problems occur and the deadline is at risk, one or more of the could haves can be dropped to preserve the time frame. Could have items should make up no more than 20% of the total effort available. In any project, the team will agree that certain requirements won't be delivered in this time frame. They should be recorded in the prioritized requirements list to help clarify the scope of the project. This avoids them being informally introduced later and helps manage expectations of which requirements will appear in the deployed solution.